Ethereum topped out at its structure resistance, testing $1,928 yet again. Last time we got a sell signal, I wouldn't be surprised to see that as we begin moving back down, possibly as far down as $1,620. We got some major moves incoming. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking at and why I'm expecting a larger move down. Before we jump into it, we have two more 4% trade wins here, with the sand scalping trade called out on July 3rd and the Dogecoin called out on July 3rd as well. This puts us at 40 wins and 0 losses, so if you want to join us for that, you can grab our membership at the links in the description. And just before we dive into the charts, we have only 3 days left in our July 4th sale. Limited coupons are left. We have less than 50 coupons. Do not miss out. You can get all 3 of these indicators and more at the links in the description down below with up to $450 off. Don't miss out. And with that, let's dive into the charts. Thanks for joining me today on the Trade Confident website here. We're going to scroll down to Ethereum, and the first metric we're taking a look at is going to be the Ethereum Emotional Index. After this drop, we have fallen into neutral territory, and most often because we're still fairly high in neutral, and most often after just barely crossing into neutral, we're going to see continued moves downward as emotional momentum continues. It's not really until we find either anxious or fearful that we're really looking for those moves back. Of course, there will be times, as we saw recently, where we'll get a small move up, but I think that was more to fundamentals rather than technicals. It seems like the market is evening out for now, so we're relying more on technicals at the moment, heading into the volatility breakout detector. Volatility is slowly diminishing in the Ethereum market as we're seeing more and more sideways movement, retesting structure support right about here. I think we could go a little bit further, but we have seen some reduced movements, so lower volatility is in the cards. However, once we fall all the way below volatility, this is where we're seeing impulse moves in the market, which actually create crazy big spikes. Moving on now to the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric. We've actually just come out of really strong short trade sentiment here that did push below -800, and most often this will result in moves down, and this is exactly what we're seeing already. Whales likely took profit at this point. This was the highest price we had seen since May over here. And because of that, whales were very excited, took profit, and have begun shorting the market in order to buy back lower, pump the price up again, and repeat the process over and over again. Next up is the Ethereum major support and resistance level. We tested structure resistance at $1,928, and personally, I think we could fall as low here as $1,785, though I think first we need to test structure support right here, and I'll show you exactly what that number is on the live charts. Next up is going to be the Ethereum long versus short trades. There's still a ton more short trades than long trades in the market. This is long-term bullish. We're not really seeing any spikes one way or the other, but if you see a move up on long trades, this will very likely correlate to a move up in price. And if you see a move up in short trades, it'll do the opposite with a drop in price. Last but not least is the Ethereum daily trade scanner here. We got a buy signal right here, multiple buy signals, in fact, that resulted in moves up in price. We got a sell signal right at about the price limit that we're at currently. And if we get a sell signal here, it'll almost guarantee a move back down. Now, as an Ethereum trader, you're going to be needing to pay attention to these metrics. They are absolutely essential to anyone trading cryptocurrency. These metrics are updated every single day for our members, and you can also get access as a member to our 40 win 0 loss trading strategy. This is 40 wins total in 2023, absolutely crushing it. And if you want to join us, you can grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Just go and scroll down, click show more, and it's going to be the second link right here. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. I recommend the full access for $59 a month because this includes the metrics across all 20 coins, scalping trade calls as I showed you, and much more with morning brew overview, future forecasts, and tons of other membership benefits. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, we're looking at Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame using the TC top and bottom finder price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion indicators. Again, all 3 of these, in fact, all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators are on sale for just 3 days. Right now, we're seeing price versus well money flow is high and has begun ticking down. Where well money goes, the price is likely to go too, and this indicator is amazing at tracking where well money is heading. As it drops, we should see the price continue to fall as well. Literally, as long as this green line is heading down, we're very likely to see the price to continue dropping. With that though, the trend exhaustion actually shows this downtrend is about halfway over. This is not going to be a crazy big move, and as we move into the bottom red section, this is where we're typically looking for moves back up, especially as well money bottoms out as well. Once we see both of these, that by itself is a crazy move up, but as this moves down, and if we get a buy signal at structure support here or here, The three of those signals, all three of them will combine to be some of the most bullish signals we can get in Ethereum. But I'm getting a little ahead of myself. We need to be paying attention to how low this is actually going to drop first. And my first structure support is right about here at $1,785, followed by $1,620. On the metrics chart, I did tell you there is a possibility of a move up to about right here at previous structure support at 1,826. But honestly, I think we can just call 1,785 even. As long as well money is dropping though, again, I think we're going to see the price drop. And if we see a buy signal here or here, that should be the end of the downtrend. And no matter what happens, we'll keep everyone updated. But as this plays out, you're going to want to grab these indicators. Now, with that in mind, we're looking at a current price drop of about 6.5% or as far down as 15%. Now, as this plays out, it'll be crucial to pay attention to these indicators that are what have helped our members make crazy money. They are what have helped us earn 40 wins and 0 losses. Now, I'm not saying these indicators are perfect, but they're just about as close as you can get to it. So if you want to get access to all these indicators, they are on sale right now. Do not miss out for up to $450 off. If you want to get access, you can grab them at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and it's going to be the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our huge 4th of July sale page. We have over 4,000 downloads and counting, and this sale is limited to the first 50 buyers. It also ends July 7th, so do not miss out. Our traders are absolutely crushing it. One person made $9,000 with their account up over 39%. This person made $950 in one day, $4,300 in just a week, $2,100 in 3 days. So you know these indicators are crushing it. In order to get the best possible deal, you're going to want to grab the bundle pack first. This includes the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, 7 other indicators for you to try out, and a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. When checking out, be sure to use code SAVEME50 for $50 off. All you got to do is click the checkout link for the bundle pack, click I want this, enter code SAVEME50, click apply, fill out your information here, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. Click add to cart. You'll get that full $450 off of all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators. Make sure your information is correct, click pay, and you're good to go. Once you have the indicators loaded up, as the price versus well money flow drops, this should result in a drop in price. As that happens, we should also see the trend exhaustion fall into its bottom red section. When we see that whales have oversold, the trend is exhausted, and if we get a buy signal at either of these structure supports, that's where we're looking for our next move up and for this downtrend to end. Our targets are $1,785 and $1,620. With that, we'll keep everyone updated. Grab the indicators while you still can at a massive discount. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.